What are some engagement tactics you can bring to your online community to keep people participating and contributing? My name is Jacob. I work in community management at a large tech company, and this is part 5 of a series I'm doing where I'm sharing what it's like to work in community management as a community manager. So number 1, let's talk about engagement loops, keeping people consistently active over time. So this could be something like weekly themed prompts about the product, about really anything. This could be monthly challenges, or even something like a share your setup or use case showcase, which is just one thread of people dropping in their use cases of how they're using the product in a very unique way. Then you can gamify it and have people upvote, and then the most upvotes gets a certain piece of swag or merch or becomes an ambassador. They level up to the next level of their membership within the community. The next part is educational engagement. So perhaps that means you're hosting office hours on a certain cadence where your community members have an open invitation throughout 30 minutes or an hour to just pop in and quote unquote meet an expert, that's what you could call the whole session. You don't have to call them office hours. I love giving a name to things. And so you can call it Meet the Experts and have a different team at your company pop in at each time you have office hours. It's a great way to build the bridge between your team and the community, and it really helps collect, user insights and feedback. Perhaps you also think about a certification challenge. So users or members of your community have to complete a learning path to earn a certain badge. Maybe that up-levels them in the community to an MVP or an ambassador or a knowledge sharer or a leader just within that particular part of the product. You can also do tutorial contests. It's a contest, but you're also sharing educational content because users are helping users understand the product better. There's also recognition and social incentives. So think of this as gamification, leaderboards, swag, member spotlights, even something like Contributor of the Month. Maybe your team has developed a series of ranks and titles that a member could reach once they take a certain 5 to 10 actions in the community, those actions being decided upon by you. So maybe it's complete your profile, respond to 10 questions, connect with 5 people, so on and so forth. Something else I love is a founding members program, and that could be for anything. That could be a product launch, a community launch, anything. But, it sort of creates this tight-knit, close-knit sub-community of your larger community, and it gives folks something additional to be a part of. I also love event-based engagement. So AMAs, Ask Me Anything, another great way to connect your executives or product leaders with your community. And you can automate that depending on the community platform you're using, which of course helps with scale. And hackathons are a great way to engage your technical audience. There are so many different ways to engage your community.